Hello and welcome to Between the Legs with Mike and Yvonne. We're up in the game today. We've come down to the Marina International, where the boats are. And we're going to have a look at some of the restaurants and bars in this lovely area, which is just next to the Acequion Beach. So here we are in the middle of the Marina International. The boats are here, hundreds of boats, and the restaurants. This is the Nautico restaurant and bar. We're just passing now, and there's quite a few bars here. There's 3 in a row just here. There's Marina Club, cafeteria. It's a big bar. No, I think it's 2 bars here, isn't there? This is Marina Club. What have we got there? Breakfast $4.50. That's reasonable, isn't it, for breakfast? Yeah, looks very nice. Hiya. Look at this bike, it's exactly like ours, isn't it?
Just like ours?
Just like ours, eh? Shall we have it as a spare?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, this is the Marina Club. We're passing now. And what a lovely time of day to come here and have a sneaky pint. Eh? Absolutely fantastic. The sun's just starting to dip now. So we've got that lovely golden haze going on in such prestigious surroundings.
The boats look lovely when they're lit up, don't they?
Yeah.
There's a few bars and restaurants down here, including Moby Dick's, and I think that's where we're going to go.
I fancy Moby Dick's because I've heard some good things about it. It's just down here. It's $12.90 for the Menu del Dia.
Dear.
This is Moby Dick's. We had a nice meal at the Moby Dick's.
We have, yeah.
And I had a tuna salad to start with. What did you have to start with?
Vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup. Was it nice?
Very nice.
Great stuff. And I had a tuna salad and I thought that was very nice.
Did you? Good. Great stuff.
Quite a nice portion. And then I had pork loin, chips and salad.
Oh, was that nice?
That was very nice. All right, enjoyed
You know what
that.
I had?
What did you have?
I had hake.
Did you hake?
And it had some little tiny prawns in the sauce.
Was it filleted? No bones?
I had just 2 little bones.
2 little bones. Yeah, I can't complain at that, can you?
Yeah, but it was really nice.
Yeah, and then what did you finish off with?
I had something different. I had red velvet cake.
Oh.
With cream.
I had something really boring.
What did you have?
Ice cream.
Oh.
And the most boring flavour.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
I like vanilla.
Mind you, we're going to the beach in a minute. We're going to go off to the beach and see what it's like on there.
Yeah, I'd like to have a little splodge.
Hello to Veronica and John. Yeah, Veronica from Bulgaria and John from the USA. They were just walking past, walking the dog, and they spotted us and said hello. And they just come across here at Torrevieja, bought a house, and they're very happy with it. And they thanked us for some of the videos that they've seen us in.
Yeah.
So that were nice. If you ever pass us and you see us, just
say hello.
Say hello.
Stop and say hello.
And we're very pleased to see you. Just a few yards away, there's a park here, and it's called Parque Dona Sinforosa. And it's a beautiful little park. It's the first time we've actually been in it. We've been here 5 years, it's the first time we've been in here.
Yeah.
And it really is nice, and it is absolutely teeming with parakeets. You can hear them, just listen. They're parakeets. And there is literally hundreds of them, all having a good time. And we'll just show you the park.
Yeah.
So we're going to tie the bikes up and we're going to go and sit on the beach. Is that what we're going to do? Are we?
Down here?
We're going over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
Here? It's yours with your cup holder.
You got me a pint to put in it?
No, you've got a bottle of orange juice.
Okay, we'll manage.
The towel off my seat comes in handy when I come to the beach.
Oh.
One of the reasons why it's on there.
Can hear them parakeets from here, can't we?
Yeah.
There's the park. Very nice park it is too. I've got one for you.
Come on then.
Why did the Invisible Man turn down the job?
I don't know. Why did the Invisible Man turn down the job?
He just couldn't see himself doing it.
So.
I've just downloaded that film, Bohemian Rhapsody, by Queen.
Oh, did you? Have you watched it?
I've watched it, yeah, it's okay, but I just think it was filmed in the cinema.
Why?
Because I can see a little silhouette of a man. So Moby Dick's quite a big restaurant. Goes right down to the bottom, that white wall.
Is it all one?
Yeah, because I came in through here and I asked him. See, there's our guy there, look.
Yeah, but they look different, don't they? They're,
Yeah.
they're set up different inside.
Yeah, they're set up different. They're sort of different areas.
But it's all the same menu. So.
Yeah.
And these chairs are like out there.
And they have live music a few nights a week.
Yeah.
I think they're closed on a Wednesday.
Got some nice music on now.
Yeah, lovely, cool, chilled out music. Are you going to join us?
Yeah, I struggled up that curb. I was just listening to that music. It's really nice, chill out music.
And these are the apartments. The Marina International Apartments, I think. And you can, I think these are available for like holiday rent. I'm sure if you Google it, you'll see there's some apartments here for rent. And it's got a nice big car park, which is great because you're in the centre of Torrevieja. So there's not many places to park, especially at the moment with the works going on down by the harbour side. So this has got its own exclusive secure car park. And oh, look at that lovely view. There's the Acequion Beach, dead ahead. You can see this whole area's got a secure car park. It's where they park the trains, look, that go to the salt mines. The salt mounds, should we say. What, the supermarket?
The supermarket, isn't there?
That's the reception for the, if you wanted to stop here, it's like hotel reception, in effect.
Nice place to stay.
Yeah. That is the Canal de Acequion. And that goes right up to the salt lake. And I presume in the old days they used to bring the salt in down the canal because it's a man-made waterway. So I've got visions of barges being towed by horses. I think on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
Oh, it's free.
It's free.
Absolutely free.
Free to subscribe.
And free to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1.
Bing.
Adios.